B&D Smartphone Control Kit. Controlling your garage door has never been easier. Before you begin, ensure you have a secure Wi-Fi connection on site for successful setup and operation. Ensure you have a Wi-Fi password ready. To connect your garage door motor or other devices, you need the registration code. You'll find this as a QR code on the card provided with a smartphone control kit or on the transceiver on the motor. We will show the setup on the app in 5 easy steps. Download the B&D app. Start by opening the app and click on Start. Select Setup a new Smart Hub. The Smart Hub creates a Wi-Fi network that you temporarily connect your phone to. To connect to the Smart Hub Wi-Fi, go to your phone settings. Go to Wi-Fi, select the Smart Hub network. Its name can be found on the underside of the Smart Hub. Go back to the app. Click on Connect to connect to the Smart Hub Wi-Fi. When prompted, press the button on the actual Smart Hub. This is a security measure. Name your Smart Hub, such as Home Garage or Holiday House. Set your time zone. The next step is to create an admin user who acts as the master user. To set up your profile, provide a name with at least 4 characters. Create a password with at least 5 characters. It is recommended to provide an email address and security question for password recovery. For example, what was your first pet's name? Now connect the Smart Hub to your home Wi-Fi network. You will need the Wi-Fi password here. Confirm Connect to Wi-Fi. You're almost done. In the final step, you connect devices you wish to control, such as the garage door motor. To register the device, select Scan QR code and the phone camera will turn on to scan. The QR code can be found on the card provided with the smartphone control kit or on the transceiver on the motor. The setup is now complete. You can use your smartphone to control your garage door or other connected devices. Use the slide-up screen to control connected devices from anywhere. Through settings, you can customize features including push notifications and alerts, partial opening modes, user privileges. B&D Smartphone Control Kit. Controlling your garage door has never been easier. For more information, contact your B&D dealer or call B&D on 136263.